Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video here at the Everyday Cookout. Alright, in this video we're going to get into lighting a grill using a chimney starter, which in my opinion is by far the easiest way to light any barbecue grill. Alright, so with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video. Our first step in this process is going to be filling up our chimney. And of course, if you guys don't know by now, I'm a Kingsford type of guy. There are some other brands of charcoal that I would like to try, but I usually stick with the good old-fashioned Kingsford. Never lets me down. Step 2 in this process is to load up our fire medium. In this case, I'm just going to use this old Amazon packaging that you see here. You can use the tumbleweeds that they sell in the stores. However, I found that good old-fashioned newspaper, this Amazon packaging, or pretty much anything that'll hold a flame for just a few moments will work. There's really no need to buy the tumbleweeds, but to each his own. Step 3 is going to be for me to grab my torch and light the packaging at the bottom of the chimney. Folks, that's pretty much it. Now it's just a waiting game. Okay, we have the chimney lit. Now it's pretty much set it and forget it. We're gonna let this go until some of that smoke dies down. And as you look at the bottom, near the bottom of the coals, those should be red hot. Once those are red hot and we see a little flame coming out of the top, that'll let us know that we're ready to start cooking. Unlike using lighter fluid, we don't have to wait for any chemicals to burn off here. We're just waiting for the charcoal to get lit and to see a flame coming out the top there. All right. So let me go ahead and time lapse this footage a bit because it's going to take a minute, and we'll be right back with you. Alright, now if you'll look near the bottom of the chimney, you'll see that it's glowing orange. So that lets us know that those coals are red hot and ready to go. And we also see that the flames are peeking out of the top there. Okay, we're not waiting for all of the coal to ash over at this point as we would if we were using lighter fluid. Right now, we can go ahead and dump this out and get to cooking. So that's one of the many benefits of the actual chimney. For one, it's faster than charcoal and lighter fluid, and it also, being faster, it also gives us a longer cook time because we don't have to wait until charcoal is all ashed over. Alright, well, there you have it, folks, another video in the books. Please do go back and watch our lighter fluid video because, as I mentioned, lighter fluid comes in handy in the pinch, especially when you're new to the game, especially when you have maybe damp charcoal. That lighter fluid will revive that. And just if you're on the go and you don't want to lug around a whole bunch of equipment, you can always grab a cheap bag of charcoal and some lighter fluid, head out to the park and have a good time. Anyway, folks, that's it for this video. Please join us in the next one. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and happy grilling.